Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. We will go through each step, from gathering your ingredients to baking these delightful treats. This recipe is a fantastic way to enjoy a comforting dessert that combines the rich taste of peanut butter, the hearty texture of oats, and the sweetness of chocolate chips. Get ready to create some truly irresistible cookies that everyone will love. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients for these amazing cookies. You will need 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, and 1 cup of packed light brown sugar. Also, have 2 large eggs, 2 1/2 cups of old-fashioned oats, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda ready. Don't forget 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips. Now for the fun part, mixing and baking. First, in a large bowl, cream together the softened butter, peanut butter, and both sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the eggs one at a time, making sure each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Gradually add the dry ingredients, then gently fold in the oats and chocolate chips. Drop spoonfuls onto a baking sheet and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. For the perfect finish, let your freshly baked cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 2 to 3 minutes. This helps them set before you transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Storing any leftover cookies in an airtight container will keep them fresh for several days. These peanut butter oatmeal chocolate chip cookies are truly a delightful treat, perfect for sharing or enjoying all by yourself.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.